I have reviewed the Apple Watch Series 3, 5 and 6 but missed out on the Apple Watch Series 4. As the Apple Watch Series 3 still dominates the smartwatch segment in 2024, I was curious to know how the Apple Watch Series 4 holds up after 5 years of its release. So let's start the review. Hello guys, I am Abhijit and you are watching TechNutso. The one I have with me is the aluminum 44mm GPS Plus Cellular in space grey. At that time, there are only 3 colors in Apple Watches: gold, silver and space grey. The Apple Watch Series 4 was launched on 21st September 2018 alongside the iPhone XS series. The Series 4 was a huge upgrade from the Series 3 because of fewer bezels, bigger display, more rounded corners, etc. All Apple Watches look identical to each other, but still, let's have a physical overview. It shows off a 1.78-inch display at the front with the resolution of 448 x 368, a rotating crown which is also a button with built-in electrodes for ECG measurement, a power button, a microphone in between to record voice memos and answer calls, 2 speaker vents on the left to listen to the voice memos and respond to calls, and the ceramic back with all the health sensors. The Series 4 was the first Apple Watch to feature the ECG sensor. The Watch Series 4 still looks modern with the build quality being absolutely sturdy. The thing is that Apple didn't change the design of the Apple Watches till the latest one. The Series 4 doesn't look outdated at all. The aluminum build still feels exceptional. The buttons are tactile and the crown works just as desired. Talking about the display, it is 1.78 inches with 1000 nits of peak brightness. The display is effortlessly visible in the sunlight and that is just great. The content is sharp and vibrant in color. Also is big enough to read notifications without reaching out to the iPhone. The shape of the dial makes it look like a small smartphone on the wrist. The touch response is fast and accurate throughout. The display quality is top notch. There are thick bezels around but it doesn't look old or outdated. The Series 4 doesn't have the always on display feature because it was released with the Series 5. The race to wake works flawlessly so you cannot miss the AOD. Also, if no AOD, it could add some hours to the battery. All the watch faces look vibrant and cool and there are plenty to choose from. We can use the watch app to customize the watch faces according to our needs. My favorites are Unity Bloom, Snoopy, Meridian, Modular, etc. Also, we can pair the colors of the watch face to the watch band or also to the outfit. The watch faces make the Apple Watch stand out from the crowd, and the complications make it more functional. The Watch Series 4 is water resistant up to 50 meters, so it is safe in the rain and while swimming too. But make sure to activate the water mode before taking it in the rain or the swimming pool as it prevents ghost touches. When we exit the water mode, the Apple Watch plays music to discard the water out of the speaker vents. Remember to clean the watch thoroughly after taking it out of the water. Haptic feedback on Apple Watches is one of my favorite features. It is very conspicuous and makes sure that we don't miss out on important notifications. Be it calls, messages or alarms, it never fails to get my attention. In the morning, the gentle taps on my wrist wake me up at the scheduled alarm. Haptics on moving the crown just feel amazing. At the heart of the Series 4 is Apple's S4 dual-core chip. After pairing, when I started using it, I didn't feel any huge performance difference between the Series 6 and the Series 4. It works just as fast as the Series 6. Opening apps, scrolling through the watchOS, smooth animations, very responsive touch actions, etc. I could barely notice the switch I had made. The Series 3 aged well and has become sluggish as I had told in the review, but still is a champion. You can watch my review by tapping on the I button. But the Series 4 is still a phenomenal performer when it comes to daily activities. And it is shocking to me as I hadn't thought that it would perform this well. I want to thank Hemant Bhai from Majestic Mobiles for making this video possible. They deal in all types of smartphones, smartwatches and accessories, new and used. I have been buying from them for 5 years now and always got the best deals. I have given their Instagram link in the description. Go follow them and DM if you have any requirements. Talking about workouts, there are plenty of them to choose from. I go out for a walk in the evening and I have tested the outdoor walk workout and it works just perfectly. It monitors our heart rate continuously and displays the same on the workout page. Also, the workout page is as same as on the Series 6, not much difference other than the AOD. The Series 4 was the first Apple Watch to launch with the ECG feature. I have tested out that too, works as desired. Apple says it shouldn't be relied on, but it can come in handy in emergencies. The heart rate and sleep tracking work well too. I use an app named Pillow to track my sleep and read the recorded data. The health app also displays our sleep data, but I prefer a sleep report notification each morning, so I specifically use Pillow. Each morning after an hour or so, I receive a sleep report of how many hours I have slept and also the sleep quality. You can try the app if you want. Health tracking features are exceptional on Apple Watches, which is another thing that makes them so popular. The Series 4 is lightweight and its compact design make it comfortable to sleep with it on. Controlling the music and camera on the watch is advantageous. I as a content creator need a viewfinder to see if the frame is accurate while shooting, so this proves beneficial to me. Vlogging can be another good use case for this feature. The battery on the Series 4 easily lasted me a whole day with heavy usage, and sometimes it even took me to the next morning. I picked up the Watch Series 4 from the charger at around 12 pm and it easily lasted me until the night 1 am. I did not charge it at night, so still it lasted me around 9 am the next morning. The battery life is good considering the battery health at 88%. For uninterrupted sleep tracking, I suggest you charge it 20 to 30% before you sleep at night. The Watch Series 4 takes around 2 hours and 15 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100% and doesn't seem like a deal breaker. It has 16 GB of inbuilt storage to store your favorite photos and apps. The Apple Watch Series 4 is currently running on the watchOS 10 while being 10.6.1 as the latest update. The watchOS 10 is last year's update, which is the last upgrade for the Series 4. It hasn't received the watchOS 11 nor will receive the upcoming future updates. But as sure, the security and bug fixes updates will be pushed out by Apple from time to time. The watchOS 10 doesn't feel old at all, because they brought in the smart stack and also changed the functionality of the buttons. If you have watched this video until this point in time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on the new exciting tech videos. Siri works like a charm on this, helping out with various tasks like making calls, doing mathematical calculations, opening apps, starting a workout, checking the weather, etc. The double tap, which was a Series 9 exclusive feature, is also available on the Series 4. We can dismiss notifications, pick and end calls, click photos, and stop timers. This really comes in handy when one hand is occupied. So should you buy the Apple Watch Series 4 in 2024? This one with me is the Apple Watch Series 4 44mm GPS Plus Cellular is on sale for Rs 8,000 and is a great deal for someone looking to buy a cellular Apple Watch without spending a good amount of money. The Series 4 GPS only could be easily available for around Rs 4,000 to 8,000 depending upon the condition. You can surely buy the Apple Watch Series 4 in 2024 because of its amazing health tracking features, good battery life, and its durability that can make the watch last you years. If you want to buy this particular watch, get in touch with Heman Bhai from Majestic Mobiles through the Instagram link in the description. Hurry up before it sells out. So here I end my video. This was my perspective on the Apple Watch Series 4 in 2024. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. If you have any tech queries, follow and DM me on Instagram. I'm happy to help. Instagram link in the description. So see you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.